Faber Piano Adventures Level 2A, page 11. The song is called Famous People. In this song we're experimenting with different rhythms, quarter notes and eighth notes. Remember, quarter notes we hold for one beat, eighth notes are just a half a beat. So I'm going to play through this song, and then I want you to listen when I play through this for the eighth notes. I want you to look at your music and watch when I get to those eighth notes. Remember, the eighth notes are the ones that are joined with that line across the top. It's called a beam. Okay? So when I get there, listen to how fast I play those. So this song starts in C position, middle C, and our left hand we're going to be starting 3 notes down with our thumb on G, F, E, D, C. So it's basically just C position. Let's listen as I play Famous People. Watch out for those eighth notes. So you notice I played those eighth notes faster, okay? Now you can count these out, like I discussed in the previous lesson. You can go 1 and 2 and 3 and like that. You could go ta, 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 and then when you get to the eighth notes go t, t. So I'm going to do both, and then you can choose what you want to do for this piece. So I'm just going to play the first 2 bars. And I'm going to experiment doing the rhythms by counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or ta, ta, t, t, and so forth. Remember, ta, ta, that's the quarter notes, and you say t, t when you see the eighth notes. Let's listen as I play the first 2 bars. Ta, 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 t, t, ta, 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 t, t, ta, ta, ta. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now the way that we figure that out is we look at the time signature at the beginning of the song, that little thing that says 4-4 next to the treble clef. And that top 4 is telling us there are 4 beats in every measure. So we would count to 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And so this time I'm going to count to 4 and do the same thing and listen to the rhythms again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's just another way to count out the rhythms. So I want you to get the eighth notes down and play the rhythms right. So practice by doing either the ta method, the ta and the tt method, or counting. Okay, and if you're going to count, it helps to write the beats under the notes. So this concludes Famous People.